Nobody's tracking that more closely than meteorologist Ray Petelin tonight. And Ray, we're just saying it's kind of unusual that already we're getting flood advisories from the Weather Service a couple of days out.
Yeah, and the rain hasn't even started to fall just yet. But what's going to happen is we have this big system here that's right now creeping towards us, and it's going to dump a lot of water. And this is going to be sort of a two-part system, and we'll get to why that is. Now, as it stands right now, this is Tropical Depression Ida. It's moving northeast at 10 miles per hour, so it's creeping along. But typically as these storms lose their strong winds, they start to pick up their forward speed. So this is going to start to cover more ground a little more quickly. But you can see here there's a lot of moisture contained within this, and we have a front that's stalling out here that this is going to bump up into. So when it comes to Ida coming into play, any rain that falls between now and midnight tomorrow morning, or Wednesday morning I should say, that's just associated with the front. The Ida rain comes in after midnight on Wednesday morning. 6 to 8 a.m. on Wednesday, we're looking at that heavy rain to begin, and then the consistent, steady, heavy rain, especially south and east of Pittsburgh, continues into the middle of the afternoon. Then it starts to break up a little bit. By the time we're into Thursday, we're back into sunshine. So when it comes to Ida, here's what it looks like. We get these spotty showers tonight and tomorrow. These are not associated with Ida. This is with that front that's stalling out and bobbling around a little bit. Once we get into midnight, and we're going to stop here midnight Wednesday morning. So as soon as we tick over to Wednesday, this is where Ida rain starts to move into Pittsburgh. You can see how this lifts up, heaviest of the rain down to the south, but that continues to lift. And by the time we go from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m., this is going to be bumping into our area during the morning commute. So it's going to be a wet morning commute, and you're going to notice the focus of the heavy rain is Pittsburgh, south and east. So as you move south and east from Pittsburgh, your chances for flooding go up. And you'll notice that the heaviest of the rain stays focused in this area down into the Mon River, which does actually spill into Pittsburgh. Keep that in mind. And this heavy rain, 2 p.m. Wednesday, still south and east of Pittsburgh is the main focus. It's a little lighter up to the north, and that heavy rain continues right into 7 p.m. That's out of here by Thursday. We're back into sunshine. Now, with that being the case, we could see in an excess of 4 inches of rainfall south of the PA border up into some of those higher ridges. From I-70 down to the PA West Virginia line, you're looking at 3 to 4 inches. Pittsburgh, south and east, 2 to 3 inches, not out of the question. An inch, maybe a little more up north of Pittsburgh, and then as you get to 422 and north of that, ½ inch or less. Now keep in mind with that heavy rain down by the Mon, that actually could cause some flooding later on. So all that water has to find its way to the lowest point, which is the river. So all the creeks and streams that fill into that, all the runoff, is going to take some time to evacuate. So we could have some river flooding occurring in places once we get into Thursday and we're into sunshine. So keep that in mind that this is a two-part process, the flash flood potential as it's raining, and then later on the river flood potential as all that water tries to get out of here. 66 for tonight, variably cloudy, a shower or thunderstorm. Tomorrow, 78, a few thunderstorms around, the worst day Wednesday. Heavy rain, we'll get into the sunshine after that, and very comfortable temperatures. And with Ida on the way, Ken told you about that QR code in the corner. Get the weather app too. We have 2 apps and they work great when you have them both on your mobile device. This one tells you if there's heavy precipitation or severe weather nearby, and it's free. Search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.